In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the collection image in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload and assign an image so that your collections look polished and professional in your online store. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main admin home screen. This is where you can see an overview of your orders, products, and general store activity. From here, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. When the Products page opens, you'll see a few options across the top or in the sidebar, including one called Collections. Collections are groups of products that you organize together, like New Arrivals, Sale, or Summer Collection. Click on Collections to open the list of all the collections you've created in your store. On the Collections page, you'll see each collection listed by name. Decide which collection you want to update with an image. This might be one that's currently missing an image, or one you'd like to refresh with a new look. Click directly on the name of that collection to open its settings. Inside the collection editor, you'll find various sections such as the title, description, and conditions. Look over to the right-hand side of the screen for an area labeled something like Image or Collection Image, usually just below the Publish or Visibility section. In that image area, click the button that says Add Image. If you've never uploaded this image to Shopify before, a file picker window will appear. Click on Add Files or the Upload option, then browse your computer for the image you want to use. For best results, choose a clear, high-quality image that represents the products in that collection. Once you've selected the file, confirm the upload and wait a moment for it to finish. After the upload is complete, Shopify will automatically select the new image for this collection. You should now see a preview of the image in the collection editor. If everything looks good, click on the Done button to confirm the selection. Next, don't forget to save your changes. Look towards the top or bottom right of the page for the Save button and click it. This step is important. If you don't save, the image won't be applied. Finally, go back to the main collections page. You'll now see your newly updated collection image displayed next to that collection's name. That's it. You've successfully added a collection image in Shopify.